Now, have you ever said or written something to someone that they took the wrong way? Yeah, often, right? Now, this occurs all the time, at home, at school, in the workplace. I'm Jonathan Gordon, and this is Communication Skills for Business. You will learn all about how to communicate effectively in a digital world. Easy to say that you're a great communicator. However, whether it's online, on a phone, or in person, making sure your message is clearly conveyed and received the way you want, exactly the way you want, is more complicated than one might think. By the end of this course, you will understand the key principles and skills that are necessary to be successful in a work environment. These communication essentials will help you get hired, plan promotions, and thrive throughout your career, whatever it may be. As you embark on your endeavors, remember that the art of communication will serve you as a guiding light, empowering you to achieve your goals and thrive in a rapidly evolving landscape.